Sentence correction is what you will be doing this week. I know that you're probably really excited about that. So with that, let's talk about what you're going to be doing. I found this great article on bad writing, and it basically talks about how to improve your writing skills and what people do, everyone, when they're writing. And I thought this had some good examples of things that I see when I'm correcting student writing, and this may help you. One thing is using speech patterns. We don't write how we talk. So our utterances, or the way that we talk, are quite ungrammatical. They're not abbreviated and oftentimes incomplete. So they give an example. We might say, she wasn't there at home. It'll be later when I'm going to call. But that's not grammatically correct if you're writing that down. So you would write, she was not at home, comma, so I will call again later, period. So using speech patterns, just poor punctuation, weak grammar, sentences too long. I do see an awful lot of this. So when you are writing sentences, try to write in shorter, simple sentences. Either use a period or a semicolon or comma and an and, but you can't push together three different sentences in one without any punctuation. Oftentimes jumbled vocabulary. Using cliches. Try to avoid cliches, such as, here's examples, in the nick of time, or this lasted an eternity. You could say the court brief lasted an eternity. In a jiffy. So try to avoid cliches and slang. We are all trying to write professionally. So if you want to, you can peruse this article. I thought it was very helpful for this week's topic. So the instructions this week are to look at number 13 on page 285 and work on rewriting the sentences. But I only want, when you are finished, to see the finished sentences. I don't want you to put number 1, the incorrect sentence, and then number 2, and then the corrected sentence. It's too confusing. If you do that, I will just give it right back to you and have you redo it. I only want the corrected sentence. And then you need to put down, in addition to the corrected sentence, your reasoning for why you would rewrite that sentence. So this is what I need to see for your Unit 3 assignment. And then last, for your Unit 3 assignment, you have actually kind of a fun assignment this week. You are to use your iPad and install the TED app on your iPad, and then search for the TED Talk entitled Alan Siegel, Let's Simplify Legal Jargon, and watch the video. It's very interesting, and if you have not used TED Talks, it has some very interesting categories. It just has everything about everything. So look at the TED Talk video on legal jargon. It's actually very good. And then answer the question. Share your thoughts. What can be done to simplify legal jargon? And then search the internet for examples of legalese, and there are quite a few, and share these with your classmates. So I hope to see quite a bit on the discussion board, and good luck on correcting your sentences. It's all good practice because we're working up to writing legal memoranda, and that takes quite a bit. When you write legal memoranda for your attorney or for the courts or whoever you're sending it to, it has to be perfect. It really cannot have any errors. So that's what we're working towards, and it will we'll be doing more legal things like that as our course moves on. So have a great week, everyone, and let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks.